Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to our channel. Do you ever wish you could make some extra cash from another source of income? Of course you do, but you can't be at different jobs at the same time, right? Do you ever wonder how great it would be to earn money through the internet? Well, in today's world, everything is possible virtually. Here are some ways to guide you on how to make your first money online. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Try your luck in freelancing. One of the best ways to earn money online is through freelancing. Millions of people have benefited from this before you, and millions will continue to after you. What's the trick? Well, it's pretty simple. Determine what's the best skill you have, such as content writing, coding, proofreading, and then offer services to people looking for your craft online. There are many websites such as freelancer.com, fiverr.com, guru.com. These websites make your life easy as you can bid your skills in return for good money. Make your website. Making your website can be a great addition to your portfolio, and it also will help you earn some extra bucks. There is ample guidance on the internet to make a website yourself, and it includes picking a unique domain, templates, layout, and overall design. Once your website is ready to be published, sign up for Google AdSense. This will help you earn money every time someone will make a click on your website. The more traffic your website has, the more you will earn. Quite simple, right? Look for marketing opportunities. If you're choosing to make your own website, then maybe consider seeking out companies looking for marketing opportunities. This type of collaboration is called a symbiotic partnership, in which you'll earn by the clicks on your website, and then you can link it with an advertisement, and if someone's lingering on your website clicks on the ad, then the company will benefit from it too, and you'll get paid for that click. Participate in surveys and give reviews. There are many ways to earn money online by participating in surveys and reviewing products for different companies. This is an easy job that you can do anytime around the clock and at your own pace. The money's easy to make with that sort of option. However, there's a slight con to it. The problem is that this way you'll have to be very careful with what website you choose, because you'll have to put in your bank account details before you proceed. Now, if you're vigilant, there are very few chances of it backfiring, so just be careful. Virtually be an assistant. Gone are the times when you'd be expected to dress up in a crisp suit and tie and go to large offices with coffees at 8 a.m. sharp. Now, you can be a virtual assistant to an essential corporate person by helping them with administrative duties and managing tasks all throughout the day from the comfort of your couch. You no longer have to wake up at the crack of dawn and make your schedule according to their schedule. If you're thinking about this, the job may contain the responsibilities of doing internet research, data entry, scheduling appointments, editing, writing, blog management, project management, graphic design, tech support, customer service, event planning, and social media management. So if you think you've got it, then it's time to flaunt it. Translate languages. Translating languages is another form of freelancing. If you know more languages than English, then utilize them to earn some extra bucks. Many websites offer translation gigs because people from big companies collect data and often don't have the time or man resources to translate those languages. So if you can help someone and also earn some cash, then why not? Always keep a lookout for such online jobs and make sure you earn a good reputation in the virtual market. Online tutoring. Trust me when I say this, you can earn some money if you pursue online tutoring. You can set your hours and tune into your nerd mode, and voila! Many websites such as eTutor, Chegg, and Schooly will allow you to set your rate and hours that you can decide. Then, students who require your help will sign into your classes. With a bit of dedication, some intense one-on-one sessions, you can acquire a lot of money. So let's get ready, steady, and go. We hope these ways will inspire you to make some easy bucks from the comfort of your bedroom. With that being said, that's it for today's video. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, hit the like button. Also, let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. We'll be seeing you soon in another video, so until then, take care and goodbye.